Hello. Today we are going to see one more session which is related to Docker volumes. Where exactly this Docker volumes is useful. Okay, let us go to the session. We'll see the live example, how exactly the Docker volumes will be useful in a real time. Okay. First of all, I'll go to the Docker playground. I'll create an instance. Let us take that one manager, one worker template. Okay. Here, that Docker node in this, you can see one leader and one worker. Okay. So now we are going to use this services. Okay. So what exactly I'm going to do is I have two services. One is for web services and the other one is for MongoDB. So web services, what it is doing is I have taken the image from my private repository and exposing this, and I'm creating two replica, and I'm not giving any constraints. And then this is a very normal config update configs parallelism to it should do same at the same time. And then the sources I have given, and then environment URL is nothing but the service name. And then this was exposed in this port. Okay, this service depends on the MongoDB service. Okay, this is the first service, and the second service is MongoDB. So MongoDB services, I'm taking the image from Mongo. That is the latest image I'm taking. I'm taking replica 1, and then I'm using constraints here as it should run on a worker node, and then object configs and resources are very common, and then volumes I'm using this MongoDB, which should be stored on data/db, and then I'm creating the empty volume. So that's the overall config of this YAML file. So let us try to apply this. Okay, before that, let us log in Docker login. Okay, I'm pulling my image. So it is pulling in the images from my private repository. Good, it's almost done. Okay, fine. Okay, now I'm going to create a YAML file for here in this machine. Okay, so we get Docker volume demo. I'm going to copy this. Okay. Now I'm going to apply this YAML file. Docker stack deploy compose file name is Docker volume demo. Stack name is my stack. Docker, okay. Forgot the extension. Okay. So now it is got created. Let's see Docker service address. Service address. It is getting it got created one replica just for MongoDB, and Stack Web is creating the another one. Let us see here where exactly this MongoDB created. Let us go and see Docker PS, Docker service, PS, my stack, Mongo. Okay, it is running in worker node. Okay, so the other one we'll see my stack, since we didn't give constraint. Okay, it's running in manager one, both copies. Okay, so okay, so now we'll go here and add some data. Since it's a fresh DB, there would be no data, so I'm going to create volume test one. Volume test one, volume. So I have created few data. Okay, so now the data is ready. Now what I'm going to do is, due to some changes, I'm reapplying this. Okay, let's remove stack then first. The stack ls, first stack ls. You can see here. Now I'm going to reapply this. So I'm going to remove this Docker stack, remove my stack. Okay, remove all. So now you can see here, you are not seeing anything, nothing got exposed. I'm going to, okay, so this page is not running. So now I'm going to reapply this. So it got exposed again. Let us see here. Again, it's almost a fresh setup. So now let us see here. See, you can see here the existing data mounted over using volume. So that's the benefit of volumes. You don't see, if you're uh, removing the containers and redoing it, then the data will be lost if you're removing the container. So to persist the volume, we are using this way. So that's the overall usage of volumes. Thanks for watching.